Have you ever wondered what would happen if someone took a full gram of RSO all at once? Well, me too. So I did it. And this video is a recap of my experience of taking a full gram of RSO all at once. So not a full gram throughout the day, but a full gram all at once. Okay. But before we get started, if we're meeting for the first time, my name is Al Morenton, and I went blind from glaucoma. I got my vision back with cannabis oils. And I've also been fighting parasites hardcore and this stuff called biofilm, which I figured out is the root cause of my dis-ease, okay? And all that will come into play in a second. So let's get into it. So I've been taking RSO for over 10 years. So I've become fairly used to it. And I actually took more than a gram on the day that I took the full gram all at once, because that was at 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. that I did that. But throughout the day, I took a good amount of RSO. So I have a daytime and nighttime version. I have this daytime version here called the Elixir of the Gods. It's a CBD dominant version. And then I have the traditional THC dominant version. And I took a full dropper of each, which is 200 milligrams of the CBD dominant and 200 milligrams of the THC dominant. So it's 400 milligrams of like a 1-to-1 combo of CBD to THC RSO. And I did 3 of those doses. So 3 400 milligram doses for a total of 1,200 milligrams from about the morning till, sometime in the morning, 9, 10 a.m., whatever, till about 5 p.m. I did those 3 400 milligram doses. So by 5 p.m., I had 1,200 milligrams in me. And then, but it was a 1-to-1 CBD to THC, remember that. And then at night, about 9 p.m. or 10 p.m., I was feeling a little bit ornery, and I was like, fuck it. Let's see what happens if I take a full gram of the traditional high THC RSO. So it wasn't a 1-to-1. It was a traditional high THC version of RSO. So I took that, and what happened? So that night, like nothing big happened, because I've been taking RSO for so long that all I did was get like really, really happy, right? Like I was smiling a lot and just, in a good mood, but I didn't get like any kind of crazy high that was, out of control or anything that I couldn't handle. It was, like I said, it just got really, really super happy. Okay. But so that's good. And we'll talk about that in a second. But the next day is where some significant stuff happened, because I was able to release a bunch of waste and a bunch of biofilm at the same time. So like my different elimination, kind of pathways, I released a bunch of waste that way. And then I was releasing biofilm like it was like crazy. I was coughing it up, like all kinds of stuff. Like it's sort of gross, but that's what I want to happen. I want to release all that stuff that's inside of me, so it's not in there anymore, right? Causing problems. And I was able to release a bunch of biofilm, release a bunch of waste. And then I also, like during the middle of the day, I felt like I had to blow my nose, and I blew a big chunk of something out of my right side. And the right side is, my right eye is the one that will go blind the quickest, right? Whatchamacallit, with the glaucoma, if I stop taking my stuff. So if I stop taking my RSO, then I'll go blind in about a week, and the right eye is the one that goes the quickest. And whatchamacallit. So I blew a big chunk of something out of, my nostril from my sinuses and stuff like that. So that was like, something, good, that happened as well. It was like really, really weird, like some old stuff in there. So, so like in other words, like to recap, I did not get, crazy high. I just got very, very happy. So you do get acclimated to the RSO, in other words, right? Like some people get worried when they first start taking the RSO. Like I got crazy high and I can't do this forever, blah, 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 blah. But you get used to it. And this was just sort of like something to prove that, right? Because if somebody were to take a full gram of RSO at once without ever taking it before, like they would go, they would be blasted out of their mind high. But like for me, it just got me happy, like we said, right? And then, but the overall, end result was that I was able to, eliminate a bunch of waste and a bunch of biofilm, which is the overall goal of my health protocol, and the RSO is a major part of my health protocol. So so doing that full gram, it had a bunch of benefit as far as my health, and being happy is a huge plus on top of that, right? So I want to go over a case study real quick just to get you to understand as also if you're worried about the high, because that's one of the biggest concerns that people have is the high, right? So this was, this video is to prove, like that you do get adjusted to it, like you said. But there's a person named Paul, right? And he is a client, and he is a good example of how you do get used to it, right? Because I've been working with cannabis for 40 years, and okay, you've been working with it so long, you're used to it, but I'm just starting out. So he's, in his 70s, and he, has, a chronic illness, and he's doing the RSO, and he's working up to the gram a day, the traditional RSO protocol, right? And he's been doing that for probably, a few months now, right? But when he first started doing it, he about during his first week, probably about day 5 or 6 or something like that, I got a phone call, and he's like, "Hey, I don't know if I could handle this. I don't know if I could handle the high." And I was like, "What's going on?" He's like, "Well, last night I got so high that I wanted a glass of water. I was really thirsty. I had dry mouth, and but I was scared to go downstairs because I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to make it back up because I was so high, right?" And so that made me smile, and I was like, "Okay, don't worry about it. You'll get used to it. Just keep on going with the protocol, and that won't happen every day, and all this kind of stuff." So later on, he did contact me and say, "Hey, you're right. That did happen a couple more times, but only 2 more times, not every single day, right?" And then and that was during this first or second month or whatever. And then fast forward a couple more months, and I talked to him just a couple days ago, right? And he said, I was talking to him, and he's like, "Hey, I don't get high. I'm doing the gram a day, he's doing 5 200 milligram doses throughout the day, right? And that helps to not get super high as well, just spreading them out, and it helps with the healing process as well, just by the way." But he's like, "I don't get high anymore. I just feel good, but I'm not getting any of those crazy highs where I'm in my head and wondering about all these different things, going, like I did when I first started taking it. I'm just able to handle it, no problem now." So if you're worried about taking RSO, and worried about the high, you do get used to it. And I'm living proof, and so is Paul and thousands of our other clients. Okay, so hopefully you got something out of this video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and join our school group at Cannabis Oil Secrets. It is free to join, and there is a link in the description below. This is Al Morenton with Movida and My Fit Life. Hope you have a beautiful day. Peace.